Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, LinkedIn is a powerful tool to connect with your colleagues, find new opportunities, and build your brand. But before you jump in, you need an account. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we are talking about how to create LinkedIn account. To create a LinkedIn account, go to the LinkedIn website and then click on the Join Now button. You have two options here. You can either create your account through email and phone number or through your own Google account by clicking on this Continue with Google button. We will create account with email, so start with it. Enter your email. Then enter a password of your choice. And after that, click on Agree and Join button. Now enter your first name, then the last name, and then click on Continue button. It might ask for security verification. Click on the Verify button and choose the correct picture, and the verification has been done. It will automatically select your location. Enter the most recent job title. I'll choose staff writer. Then the most recent company. Candid.Technology. If you are a student, you can click on the I am a student button. If not, then click on the Continue button. It will send a verification code to your email address. Enter the code. And then it will ask if you are looking for a job. If you are, then click on yes. If not, then not really, or no, I'm not interested. I'll choose the yes, I'm actively looking for a new job, and then click on the next button. Now, what kind of job are you looking for? You can add up to 5 titles and locations. Let's choose writer. And then enter the location. If you are open for remote work, check mark this box and then click on the next button. It will ask for you to turn on the notification. If you want the notification, then turn it on. If not, then you can turn it off. After that, click on the next button. Let recruiters know you're open to new jobs. If you want that, then you can turn this toggle on, and if not, then you can turn this toggle off. After that, click on this next button and get the app. If you want the app, then you can scan the barcode and download it, or otherwise you can download from the Play Store or App Store. After that, click on next button. It will ask you to connect with few people on LinkedIn. If you want to connect with them, click on the connect button. If not, then you can also skip for now or click on the next button. You can follow companies. Click on the next button. And your profile has been created. Now you can add your certificates and other portfolios for your profile. You can also add pictures from here. You can click on the camera icon here to add your picture, and you can edit your profile by clicking on this pencil icon here. After editing all your details like contact info, education, positions, everything, click on the save button. And that's how you create a LinkedIn profile. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.